Now it's time for me to speak. Are you ready to listen? Okay, we're going to work on intonation. So intonation means the rise and fall of pitch. Yeah? So, how good are your ears at hearing pitch? This is more difficult than other parts because it's very secret. It's very invisible. It's not in your eyes, ever. It's only in your ears. So, I want you to listen carefully. So, for example, if I say a word without changing my pitch, I can say tonight, tonight, at 10, no change in my pitch. I'm keeping on the same pitch. But if I go like this, tonight, 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 at 10, at 10, at 10, I'm rising up on my pitch. If I go like this, tonight, 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 or at 10, at 10, at 10, I'm going rising on the key syllable, the stress syllable, and then I'm falling. So tonight has two syllables, stress on the second, so we're tonight, right? So that is what we call a falling tone, right? English doesn't have tones on words, but we have intonation contours over words and phrases and thoughts and ideas. And sometimes the reason that people speak not so clearly or not so comprehensibly is because the change in pitch is not quite what the listener expects. So now let's do a test. We're just going to use fingers this time, not both hands, just one hand. You have show me one finger, two fingers, three fingers. Oh good, all your fingers are working. Very good. That's all we do. We don't need any 4 or 5. So I'm going to ask you to listen as I say some words with even intonation will be like this where I don't have any pitch change. And 2 fingers is going to mean that you're rising tonight, tonight. And 3 fingers is going to mean that you hear falling intonation tonight, tonight. All right? So don't say anything because it's all going to be auditory perception, auditory discrimination. You need to just show me 1 or 2 or 3 fingers depending on whether you hear even or rising or falling intonation. Are you ready? Yes. Ready? Ready. Okay. Hello. 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 That's falling. Hello. 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 No change. Hello. 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 That's rising. Hello. 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 Your fingers are broken? They can go up? Just try. It's not a test, right? It's just an exercise. Don't worry about if you have it right or not. That's okay. You got something to learn. If you're perfect, you come up here, okay? Okay, let's try a few more words. Today. 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 Tomorrow. 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 No change in pitch. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. If I go like this, tomorrow, then you know, right? But I'm trying not to do that. I'm trying to just make it here. Tomorrow. 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 Is this easy or hard? Which is easier, clapping Yeah, that's real easy. 2 hands, la la la. Okay, so I did tell you in advance that listening to intonation is something we don't do, and it's, you know, kind of one of those hidden things. You can train yourself to do it. I'm going to give you some exercises today, but after I leave, how are you going to practice? Go on my YouTube channel, Pronunciation Doctor, okay? And you will see I do this with my students, and I have videos of me doing it, and they're all going like you are. Just the same thing, because they're having a difficult time. Don't worry, you can get better at it as you try, the more you practice, right? The more you practice, the better you'll get. Do you believe that? Yes. Okay. Nobody ever gets to be perfect right away. No. How do you think anybody gets to be really good at something? With practice, but practice of the right thing, right? You have to have good teachers to teach you well, give you instruction and guidance and encouragement. You have to have the good methodology to do something, and if you practice it, then you will become better and better at it. All right? So I'm trying to teach you to listen for different purposes. Right? I've given you some exercises on how to listen for syllables, how to listen for stress, how to emphasize the strength and relative large, small, big, small, and also the long, short, long, short. And now I'm trying to help you with your pitch contours. It will take time. We don't have the time for many years for you to be with me, except for on YouTube. Then you can be with me for as many years as you would like. Okay? So that way you can practice trying to listen and turn your ears into something sharper. And bigger, bigger. Clean out the fuss in there and go like, okay, I'm gonna give you a few more words, all right? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Your hands are tired? No, not tired anymore. All right. Banana. Banana. Oh, okay. Banana. 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 Let's try another fruit. Maybe it's better. Mangosteen? Mangosteen? Mangosteen. 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 Coconut. 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 I'm seeing some faces that look like this. Oh. Okay. So practice a little bit more using my audio and video materials. It does take practice. So if you are having this face, that's okay. Relax. And it will change into this face after you practice more. All right? That's if you allow yourself. Don't get mad and say, I'm so dumb, I can't hear anything. Don't do that. Just say, I don't hear it yet. Right? I don't get it yet, but if I keep on working on it, it will come. Okay? So give yourself a boost and motivate yourself to keep on trying.